Hello, this is Dream Team Live, and I'm coming to you live from the office, and I'm going to teach you a little bit about HTML. Get your notepads out, and I'm going to wait for a couple people to show up as usual. I got to share the link to the Periscope, and we are going to get started. Yeah, we're going to get started on this, folks. I just got to get everything situated and everybody ready. Whenever you want to come in, you can make a comment or what have you while I do my presentation. You're more than welcome to come in, comment, let me know what you think, ask me any questions that you need to ask me. Uh, but basically, right now, I'm just sharing the links so that I can get everything rolling. Okay, so here we go. This is the HTML presentation, the webinar. I am your host, CloudRF. Now, what you might see here is a little different than what you would see on your normal computer. Don't mind that so much, but open up your notepad. I'm going to make myself a file, and I'm going to name it index.html. Open up your notepads. If you're on Windows, go to your start menu, all programs, accessories, then notepad to open yourself up a little notepad. It was a little bit easier for me to get to, but here we go. We're going to get started. And just right away, I got people falling off like just like crazy as usual. But I am going to start this off with a HTML tag, and we're going to end it early like this, which that's just a call symbol. The left alligator HTML, right alligator, and then to end a code, you do left alligator / HTML right alligator for the comments. But we're going to make a very basic web page with some words on it. Get everything started. Open up your notepads and copy down what you see before you on the screen. If you don't have a notepad available, write it down on a piece of paper. You can put it in there later. It's fine. Like I said, if you have any questions, I'm going to go left to right. As a matter of fact, I can, whenever we get to the part where you can see it, I'll show you, I'll save and exit, and you can actually view what comes up on your screen. So right now I'm going to do left alligator, BG, which or body, which will be the body of our document, and we're going to do BG color, which will be a color for our background, and then a quotation mark. And we want our background to be black, so we are going to go with six zeros Now, this could differ. The 6 digits that you see before you start at 0, all 6 zeros, which would mean black, and all F's would mean white. And for some odd reason, all 4s would mean yellow. But anyway, we've got that out of the way, so we just need to close that off, and then we go and we close out the body tag by what is going on? Let me try to go to the comments and see if there's anything. Nope, we don't have anything. So then I'm going to close that out with the body tag again with the / like I told you, left alligator / and then a body again, just to make sure it's closed out. And then we're going to put a bunch of spaces in it. So we got ourselves a black background. We want to put some text on the screen, so we'll put in "Hello World" with an exclamation point at the end, and then I'm going to save that. And so we basically got a plain old text screen with "Hello World" on the desktop. Then I go down and I will open this up. Give me just a second for it to open up. But what is going on? Okay, it opened up over here. So it's here, but I need to change the color of the background so the text is visible. So remember how I said that all 4s mean yellow? Well, we're going to change that to yellow. Okay, 4 4 4 4 4 4 for yellow. I don't know why it's yellow, but it is. So that's what that means. You can look up all your different colors right on the internet. You go HTML colors, and it'll give you a basic rundown on what colors mean what. And if you want a sepia tone or a say you wanted if you wanted like blue, it would be 0000FF for blue, or red is FF0000. But I'm going to save that, and I'm going to open it up again over here. What in the... Okay. What in the world? Okay, so I got this up here. Now I got... it's in gray. I have no idea why it's in gray. It's supposed to be yellow. But regardless of whatever... is anybody hearing me? I know that I lost a bunch of people there for a second. Let's go and let's change this to red, FF0000, and save it. And I want to go back to this, and it's red. Okay, so I got "Hello World" on there. Now let's change it to... let's go and make this centered. So we're going to put in a left alligator, center, and we want to center again. And then I'm going to put that right / right there, and then I'm going to save it and bring it back. And Hello World is in the center. And just so you know, you can put spaces in this as well. So if you want to put spaces in this and bring this down a little bit, you can do BR, which means break. BR means like if you're pressing the enter key and you're bringing it down, that's what that means. If you want to go down a couple notches, you want to go BR, and then I will open it again, and it's down a couple spaces. So we're going to change this text to hello, my name is Cloud, and I am a Trump supporter. And I want to do BR again, so that it brings it down again. I hope you are enjoying my show, period. And we're going to go BR again. And we're going to stop for right this second, and I'm going to wait for a couple more people so I can get some more questions and possibly answer some need to know questions or answers or whatever you want me to do here. We lost everybody. That's okay. I can continue again. The Blue Bunny change. And we want to change the color of the text. So I'll do text equals. We want to change this back to the color that I originally intended. We're going to change this to black, and we are going to change the color of the text to red. So RGB, the first two are red, the second two are green, and the last two are blue. RGB. So I'm going to save that, and I'm going to bring that back up, and I'm going to hit the enter key and say, hello, my name is Cloud, I am a Trump supporter, I hope you're enjoying my show, the Blue Bunny. And we can change the Blue Bunny went down the road to get a carrot, and then so we want to do an unordered list, and we're going to do UL for unordered list, and we're going to talk about where the bunny went to. So under the untitled list, for the list items, we got to go left alligator LI for list. And we're going to go to Hobbits, Middle Earth. And you guys can actually put this on your WordPress as well. That's just fine. And Claudation Empire. And I'm going to close that off. I'm going to get into more in-depth things later, but for now, this is fine. This is just a basic intro on HTML. So, like I said, get yourself comfortable, get yourself a notepad, or if you only have a piece of paper and a pen, just write it down, and you can try it later, and I'll show you that it does indeed work. Let's see. So we'll go to Donut Stand next to search for the carrot, but we're going to close that off with a left alligator, right, and LI for list, and right alligator, and then I am going to close off the untitled list by doing the same thing with UL. And then I'm going to save it and bring it back up on my screen, and boom, we got a unordered list with bullet points saying where the bunny went to try to get himself some carrots, but I bet you that he couldn't find it in that. So how about if we change this to OL instead of UL? That's an ordered list instead of an unordered list, and then you'll get a little bit of a different result. Bring that up, and it'll give you 1, 2, and 3. That's exactly what I wanted to do. So we will then say, but the bunny still didn't find his carrot. So I'm going to go to YouTube, and I'm going to try to find myself a nice bunny video. And I want to embed this bunny video inside of my HTML page.
Oh no, did your game just get interrupted by an update? It's switching time.
I don't have to watch this ad, I can just skip that and go to the share, and I want to click the embed link here, copy all of this information, go back to my document, and right click here, and or click here and then paste it, and then I'm going to save it again and bring it back and go back to my and boom, I got my my text on the left and I got my bunny on the right, but I don't want it to appear this way. I want this to show up underneath of my bunny, so I want to take this and copy it and paste it down here, Now, if I don't put a break in here, it will show up that it on the right side instead of the left side, and we don't want that. We want it to show up proper. So, but the bunny couldn't find his carrot, so we got a little bunny picture. Oh, this is what this is all about, is carrot. So he stole it off of a cat, and I'm going to save that. And there we go, folks. That's your very own starter HTML page, and it doesn't have any links on it, but it has an ordered list, and it has a funny video that has to do with a baby bunny rabbit. And if you want to continue on, come to my next show. But as for this show, I wanted to make it nice and short and sweet so that everybody can make a basic HTML page. I don't want to make it too difficult right now, but I want to at least give you a nice primer on how this is done so that maybe you can start using this. Now, I want to find myself a background image and change this, but I'm going to wait for the next show to show that off. I just wanted to get you guys a little basic page to play with, so that if you wanted to make your own little mini HTML page, you could go and do that. And on the next show, I am going to explain a little bit more in detail on how to make yourself a CSS page and make this a little bit more functional. So I just made a little page about a bunny, but you can change this into an unordered list and talk about, whatever you want to talk about. Throw a little text up there, and here's the code once again. We got HTML, we got the body part, we got the BG color, all zeros, and FF0000, and center, BR. Hello, my name is Cloud. I am a Trump supporter. I hope you enjoy my show. The bunny went down to get a carrot, but he had to steal it off a cat. But anyway, we centered that. But hey, wait, what if I don't want to center this part after the bunny? If I don't want to center it, then I would take my closing part and I would take center and get rid of it down here and put it up here. So then it would align the text to, it would align it so that your 1, 2, and 3 would be over here. But that's not what we had in mind either. So we will put that center all the way back down where it goes. That's what happens if you close the tag off a little earlier than suggested. But you can do whatever you feel is correct. Now I'm going to put a BR here, an extra BR just for aesthetics purposes, and I am going to change the size of this part by putting H1 for heading 1, and I'm going to close it off here. And just to make that a little bit bigger so that everybody can see the images resulting. So we are going to bring that back up, and it makes it nice and makes the heading nice and big. And I am a Trump supporter. I hope you enjoy my show. Blue Bunny went down the road to get a carrot, and there we are. Now we got a nice beginner web page, and like I said, you can copy down that code. I will leave it in the description. Also, if that's what you want to do, and I will also copy and paste it for anybody that needs it. Or I do suggest that you write it down now so that you can have a proper feel. Anyway, that's all for today. I will pick back up on this next week, but tomorrow we're going to talk about politics. So until next week, guys, see y'all later.